Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure online courses with edX step by step clearly. Visit the edX website at www.edx.org. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in with your credentials. Browse the extensive course catalog available on the homepage. Use the search bar to find specific courses or topics of interest. Select a course to view its details. Review the course description, syllabus, and learning outcomes. Check the start date and duration of the course. Look for any prerequisites listed for the course. Verify if the course is free or if there is a fee involved. Click on the Enroll button for the desired course. Choose between the audited and verified track. If opting for the verified track, enter your payment information. Agree to the terms and conditions. Complete the enrollment process by clicking the confirmation button. Access the course dashboard once enrollment is confirmed. Familiarize yourself with the navigation of the course interface. View any introductory material or welcome videos. Download any recommended resources or materials provided. Participate in discussion forums to engage with instructors and peers. Set a study schedule to pace yourself through the course content. Track your progress as you complete modules and assessments. Submit assignments on time to maintain a good standing. Review any feedback provided on your assignments. Complete all assessments to earn your certificate. Download your certificate once you finish the course successfully. Stay updated with future courses related to your interests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.